It's a Reese's peanut butter cup.
Cup? That's chocolate.
Mm-hmm. It's chocolate and peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
Is it good?
Yes. Eat it.
No, you eat it. But that's the last candy for now. No more candy till later.
Yeah.
Okay. No more candy till later. Look, you still have Swedish fish over there in your cup. You're going to spit that out? You should probably have a drink.
What's that?
That's a wrapper. Don't put it in the couch. Seth, take it out of the couch. Seth. Okay, just put it with the rest of the trash. Clean it up. Oh, you're going to throw it away?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's that?
Is that trash too?